Are you heading to Universal Studios but don't want to pay the high prices that come with staying at a Universal Resort hotel?
The DoubleTree by Hilton at the entrance of Universal Studios is a more affordable option. But is it the right option for you?
Join us as we break down our experiences, show you our room, and you can find out how easy it is to get to and from the parks.
It's called DoubleTree by Hilton at the entrance of Universal Studios. But it's not exactly at the entrance to the parks.
It's near the start of the resort area, but still, it's about a 5-minute drive or 15 to 25-minute walk from the hotel to get to the security check-in area so you can access the parks and City Walk.
No need to pay for parking at Universal or start burning precious energy walking. As a Universal partner hotel, they have a free shuttle that picks up guests in the morning and then drops them back off at their hotels near the end of the day.
Nearby the hotel, there is a TGI Fridays, a Burger King, a couple local restaurants, and a Walgreens for late night shopping. If you're in Orlando and you want to check out Disney World, that's about a 20-minute drive away from the DoubleTree.
The hotel is made up of two towers that are connected via a lobby area. Walking in, it's so nice and bright. There's large open spaces. There's the area to check bags if you arrive before your room is ready. And there is an outdoor garden area that connects you to some of the amenities and extra shops available at the DoubleTree.
There's also a Universal Studios kiosk in the lobby where you can buy tickets, ask questions, and book your ride on the shuttle. Don't assume you can just walk up and get on the shuttle. Go to the Universal kiosk to book your seat. It is a complimentary service, but it can fill up quickly.
Checking in was a smooth process. The staff was really friendly and they welcomed us with some warm walnut chocolate chip cookies. What a great way to start your stay.
What do the rooms at the DoubleTree look like? It's time for us to dive into our room tour.
We just got into the room. It's a cold, wet day here in Orlando. Our daughter's already changed her clothes and snuggled into bed, but let's have a look at the room. Let's check it out.
So as you step in, you'll see we're welcomed by two queen-size beds, which is separated by a little bedside table.
Big space there for storage.
Lots of space for storage. I mean, you could put a whole suitcase in it and also underneath it.
Yep. On top here, you've got a couple of plugs on either side with also USB adapters so you can charge your phone if you didn't bring one of the docks.
Of course, we have the very, very old-fashioned phone. I'm sure it still works. A nice little flat screen.
Decent quality picture.
Decent quality. We got a whole bunch of
NASCAR
channels. Oh yeah, this looks like a really, really great TV for late night hotel TV watching. We got a desk area here, of course, with a flat screen TV. Down here we have
mini fridge.
the mini fridge. Obviously, I don't think there'll be anything inside, but let's see.
Yeah, it's empty. No
Empty.
mini bar.
That's totally fine. It's nice and clean. No leftover foods or anything like that from the previous guests.
And then a lot of drawers to pull out if you're going to stay a while.
Yeah.
A coffee station. Can you pop the lid open? I want to check to see. That looks pretty clean. You know, sometimes it can grimy in there, but definitely clean and hygienic.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, look, we're here. Hey!
Hello!
Hey, we actually are here.
Well, let's look down here at the stats because this is so much room. And look at this beautiful chair. Aesthetically looks really, really good. Like, even if you're just here for a couple of nights, it seems fresh, seems clean, and like a good place to just relax.
This is like a conference hotel, so you can see that it's made for that. Lots of people working around here. A little sitting area here. Nice little green chair. Ice bucket. And check out this view. The $1 million view.
Yeah, the view's a little...
We can see the
not
pool.
that great.
The pool looks good, and besides the pool, there's a lake. Hopefully there's no gators swimming around. There's not a lot, it seems, around this area, but it is only about a 15-minute walk to Universal Studios and City Walk, so if you're up for hiking a bit, you can do that. There's also a free shuttle that shows up. Let's check out the closet.
Ooh, so in here we've got a very large closet. Something that... Ooh.
A safe, ironing board, iron, And yeah, lots of areas to hang up
Lots
all of your cute dresses.
Yeah, lots of areas to hang clothes in. This is a really, really large closet.
Now, my favorite part of the room, as always, full-length mirror.
That's very interesting. That's my favorite part as well.
My outfit of the day, we're going shoeless.
Please don't look at our feet. We do not show our feet in this channel.
Diving into the bathroom, very spacious.
Very spacious. It's clean. It's not very creepy.
No.
And full disclosure, I did take a shower in this bathroom already. Water pressure isn't the best, but it's not the worst.
One thing I like about this washroom is when you close the door, you get a little secret cubby area.
Yeah. Lots of storage back here as well.
You're not going to run out of towels. They have ample towels.
Toilet paper.
Hair dryer.
Yeah, all the good stuff. As you can see, it's not like totally perfect. You know what I mean? Like, we've got a bit of rust. We've got a bit of dinges everywhere. But this isn't a very expensive hotel.
It's not your on-resort Universal Orlando or Disney World Paris hotels, but it's also not your cheap discount hotels.
Right, exactly. I feel comfortable walking with no shoes on here. Let's just say that. Now, did you want to test out the bed? Wow. Wow, that was...
All right. It was a little firm for that, but
yeah.
But no, it's comfortable.
Mm-hmm.
I could see myself sleeping here, and I could see you sleeping there.
Okay.
No, it's a nice bed.
No, it's a good size bed.
Oh
it really
my
is.
gosh, I might not get up.
We have the interesting green art above the bed. That's kind of like the vibe here at the DoubleTree by Hilton.
This room could be very sterile. This room could be very hospital vibey. But they've done a good job adding some splashes of color. So I don't really feel like I'm in some place that is an asylum.
Oh, exactly. You'll also find a pool area outside the lobby around the garden. There's an outdoor pool, hot tub, a splash pad for the kids. You could also play beanbag toss here.
For shopping and dining, there's a couple of restaurants on site. The main one you can find in the lobby is the American Grill, but outside by the garden, there's a Starbucks and a pizza place. For late night snacking, there is a gift shop that you can pick up some souvenirs or some Pringles for the room, and a sweet shop that sells candy and freshly made gelato. We weren't expecting an ice cream shop in our hotel, but hey, I'm a sucker for ice cream, so it was a really nice surprise. And now, for how much we paid.
We spent $161 per night Canadian for a room with 2 queen-size beds, which is roughly $118 USD.
Would you stay here again?
Definitely. I think this hotel was great for a 2-day stay. If we were to stay in Orlando longer, I would have loved to have stayed somewhere less corporate and somewhere more fun and with a resort vibe.
For me, the hotel met all my expectations. I wanted some place that was clean, welcoming, and nearby Universal. We were expecting to walk back and forth to the parks each day, unaware that there was a free shuttle. So that was a nice surprise and even a lifesaver. We probably got to enjoy an extra 3 to 4 hours overall at Universal and City Walk, knowing we wouldn't have to walk back and forth every single time. A quick note too, though, we did take a taxi back to the hotel on the last night. Getting from the parks to the hotel, it was about an $8.50 fare.
Thank you for watching our review of DoubleTree by Hilton at the entrance of Universal Studios.
And let us know in the comments what hotel you stayed at the last time you went to check out Universal Studios Orlando.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel content.
And while you're here, check out another one of our videos by clicking the link on the screen.